Welcome to Deaton Builder's comprehensive guide on transforming your living space with a home addition. Embarking on such a project can seem daunting, but with careful planning and execution, it's an incredibly rewarding endeavor. We'll walk you through every essential step, from initial ideas to the final reveal. Every successful addition begins with a clear vision. Start by defining your needs and desires for the new space. Consider how it will integrate with your existing home's flow and aesthetics. Consulting with an architect or designer is crucial at this stage. They can translate your ideas into detailed blueprints, ensuring structural integrity and compliance with local building codes. Deaton Builders can provide you with this service. Before any groundbreaking, establish a realistic budget. Account for design fees, materials, labor, and a contingency fund for unexpected costs. Securing financing early provides peace of mind throughout the project. Explore various financing options, such as home equity loans or lines of credit. Understanding your financial capacity will help you make informed decisions and avoid delays later on. Navigating local building codes and obtaining necessary permits is a non-negotiable step. Deaton Builders will take care of this complex process. Proper permits ensure your addition is safe and legal. Ignoring this phase can lead to significant fines, demolition orders, or difficulties when selling your home. Always prioritize compliance with local regulations. With permits in hand, construction begins with the foundation. This critical base supports the entire structure. Following this, the framing goes up, defining the new space's walls, floor, and roof lines. This stage is where your blueprint truly starts to take physical form. It's exciting to see the new dimensions emerge from the ground. Next, the essential systems are installed. This includes electrical wiring, plumbing pipes, and HVAC ductwork. These rough-ins are hidden within the walls, so their proper installation is vital. Once these systems are in place and inspected, insulation is added for energy efficiency. Then, drywall is installed, enclosing the space and preparing it for finishing. The final stages bring your addition to life. Flooring is laid, walls are painted, and fixtures like lighting, cabinetry, and trim are installed. These details reflect your personal style and complete the space. A final inspection by local authorities ensures everything meets code. Once approved, your new home addition is ready for you to enjoy. Congratulations on bringing your vision to reality. Deaton Builders can assist you from the design process to completion. Bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, or dens. Deaton Builders understands the process and will help enlarge your existing living space. Go to DeatonBuilders.com to find out more and request a quote.